Guys, I need you to come check out these new guns I got. Freaking sweet Glocks. So we got the 43X here, and then the 1945X over here. This is like the Glock 45 they told me. I'm gonna shoot 15 rounds through this. So let's just see how this one goes, okay? I did amp it up a little bit though, guys. I put the red dot, and this one's made by OSI. It's really accurate, trust me. We'll see what this thing does. I think I'm gonna go for like the neck of the middle guy. Now, I don't know, you tell me, did Glock do a good job again? Or what?